My house is so freaking messy right now. Like, it's on another level. So in this video, I want to walk you through like a productive day in the life. There's lots of things to do today, but mainly I want to walk you through like getting my house to the state that I want it to be. I know you guys want a cleaning video, so this is kind of like a clean with me, but an intense version because my house is a bomb. We're gonna be following my cleaning checklist, but we are also gonna throw in some extra things that really need doing. I have a couch that I need to get rid of. My lounge room is currently a garbage disposal, so we're gonna fix that. And the house is just generally in like an unacceptable state. So join me today on my cleaning journey. Do your cleaning with me. Let's make this happen. So the first thing that I'm gonna do to get my house in order is literally put on a 10-minute timer and run around and like push it away. I usually wouldn't start with that, but my house is in such, like, it's at such a point that I'm like, I feel gluggy and sluggy because of it, so I think I need to just like get it to a state that doesn't overwhelm me too much, so then I can start properly cleaning, you feel me? I might just do like a 20-minute timer. I usually do 10 minutes, but we need 20. A 20-minute timer has started. Oh, my niece is very upset. Honestly, like, timed cleans have been making my life so much better. Like little 10-minute cleans. You just think that your house is so messy and then you run around for literally 10 minutes and you feel so much better. Like, cause usually you're just tidying. Anyways, let's move on. So a quick little after. That obviously doesn't belong there, but hey, we try our best. In here, it looks so much cleaner. Obviously it's not like tidy, but it's at a point where I'm not like, I can't handle this. And then, this is still there, I'll talk about that later. My bathroom doesn't have crap all over the floor. Life is good. So the first thing that I usually do in my cleaning routine is put my washing in the washing machine, because obviously you want to get your clothes like washed sooner rather than later. This is clothes basket number 1. We also have a third clothes basket, but Luke is currently asleep, so I'm gonna sneak in and get it. So usually while I'm cleaning, I'm listening to a podcast. Lately, I've been in a stage, you know, when you listen to so many podcasts, especially of the like self-development and like knowledge building type, that you're just like, I can't take any more information in my brain. That's how I feel right now. So I'm gonna put on my Yui Boom. This is what I listen to all my podcasts on while I'm cleaning, because it like, I can take you throughout the whole house and it's nice and loud. So I'm gonna find a podcast that is maybe like a bit more chill, not so much like expand your mind in the traditional sense. So what I ended up finding was Cold. This American Life isn't on Spotify and it makes me very sad. But that's okay. Let's watch this. It's like a murder mystery. We love good murder mystery.
He steps out of a dark gray Dodge Caravan wearing a jacket and a knit cap.
Let's get these clothes in the washing machine. Thing that I want to do is actually find someone who can pick up this couch for me. So this couch has been sitting in our hallway probably for a few days now. So I did go on Airtasker and I've submitted like an ad to pick up my couch. I was gonna just do like $30. I also need someone to pick up my mattress though. I am so happy. So he's gonna come around at like 2 p.m, pick up the couch, pick up the mattress, and then I can put my new mattress on my bed and film that because I am working with Koala, so I'm doing like a little video for them. Oh, I'm so happy. Okay. Something that I really want to do today that I didn't really plan on doing is get rid of this pile of stuff. So I'm actually filming a video on reducing my waste. So I'm gonna do like a little challenge type thing. So I thought that a really good intro would be to like show how much waste I produced in a week, and that pile is how much waste I have produced in 1 week, which is absolutely wild. So I want to film the intro for that video, like literally just the intro, just so that I can get rid of that pile of junk because I hate it. Obviously it's all like cleaned out and there's no like food waste or anything in there, but it's just been sitting there and killing me softly. So I'm going to try and film the intro for that real quick. I don't think it'll take that long. Okay, let's try and do this. This box is filled with like plastic, cardboard, some recyclable, some not recyclable. Over here we have, I just ordered a new couch packaging. So I'm really hoping that that was a good intro to the video, because if I get rid of this waste, I wouldn't be able to refilm that intro. I think it was good though. Okay, so now I'm going to do what I've been wanting to do for a lifetime, which is just get rid of all of this stuff. I'm gonna have to sort it out into like recycling and... Okay, let's do this. Look at this clear space. I'm literally so happy. So next thing I'm gonna do is go and I'm gonna strip down my bed because we're getting rid of our old mattress and we're getting a new one. And I'm also going to clean the room because I couldn't before because Luke was in there. The annoying thing about white sheets is how frequently you need to soak them. I'm gonna chuck these in the sink to soak pre-getting our new mattress. That way they are nice and fresh when we get the mattress and we can put them on. It'll be so clean and be so nice. The house is feeling so much better and I'm like literally a quarter of the way through my checklist. Okay, so I'm gonna scrub the sink, clean the kitchen and get it like super fresh. A few of you guys have asked me how I keep my white couches white. So I'm really lucky because these are removable covers. This couch is from IKEA. So I take them off like once a month, then I'll usually soak them. Just do a monthly clean and you're sweet. I think we're lucky because we're 2 grown adults. If we had children, obviously it would be much harder to maintain this couch, but because it has removable covers, it makes life so much easier. I also usually go through once a week and roll them with a little roller because otherwise anything, like any mark is like really noticeable. Also, our cat is white and she gets her fur over like literally everything, so I roll these too. So now I've moved on to the office, so I'm gonna do like a good clean of the office. One thing that I've been thinking about is the books that I own, like the physical books. So a long time ago I got rid of like the majority of my books and I was like, yeah, like I'm gonna read on an iPad now because I'm pretty good with e-readers. Then I started getting really into improving my sleep. If you've watched my sleep video, you'll know that I went kind of crazy, and one of the things that I discovered is how bad iPads can be for your sleep. So then I went on a binge and I was like, okay, well I have to start reading physical books now. And then I realized there were these glasses that you could get that would like protect you from your iPad. But in the meantime, I bought a bunch of books. So I think that I'm actually going to donate these books now because I'd rather just have them on my iPad, not taking up space because I don't have the space for them. Some of them are like crafty books, so things that I can like cut stuff out of and put into like collages. I'm gonna put those somewhere else. But these ones up top are not. Working on a room redesign video where I have space to put stuff like this, but for now I think I'm gonna put it in my craft drawer. They've just been sitting here for too long and I don't like how they look. Yes, look at that. That looks so much better. Those books always frustrate me in the background of my videos as well. Like I see them and I'm like, oh, it just doesn't look nice. So that makes me feel really fresh. Another thing that I'm gonna relocate is this. So I bought this from a thrift shop and I purchased it and I didn't actually look at the measurements of it. I should say I bought it from a vintage store actually. It's so beautiful, but I thought it was gonna be about this small and I was gonna use it as a prop for an Instagram shoot. However, it's freaking huge. In saying that, I absolutely adore it and there's not a chance I'm getting rid of it because it sparks joy in my soul. But for now it needs to be relocated. Redesigning my room and I'm sure I'll find a space for it when I get there, but it just doesn't have a space right now, so it's kind of just taking up space. This is like a pile of last week's clothes that I'm only just getting around to hanging up. So let's do that. My room is looking so much better. We have a nice clean table, no books cluttering up the space. My desk is nice and clean. And oh look, that doesn't look that clean, but you know what? We accept a B+. So the next up on the checklist is the bathroom. So the mattress is being picked up soon. We've just carted it out of the house so that they can take it straight away. We have our hallway back and it feels so good. My sink and my mirror is all clean. My toilet is clean. My shower is clean. The washing is done. So it's now the next day. Luke and I had planned like another little Instagram photo shoot in the afternoon. So I had to get ready for that and go. But I have to do the very last thing that's on my cleaning list, and that is mopping. Now I always procrastinate mopping. Like I'm gonna do that and film it so that I have the motivation to keep on going. Do you guys also just find like super poppy playlists whenever you vacuum or mop? Oh my god, Ponde replays. Ugh, putting your clothes away after cleaning, like that is what makes everything feel closed out. Like when you actually put your clothes away after washing them, that means that you are an adult, or at least you can momentarily feel like an adult. If you liked this video, you're probably going to like my most recent life admin day video. It's along a similar vein to this, except it's more like you're doing actual stuff and not so much just cleaning, because I feel like this video was very focused on cleaning. Generally just productive vibes all around. I appreciate you guys so freaking much, and I will see you soon. Subscribe if you haven't already. All the love.